Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is Chris Lafayette, and we're here once again at Colorado State University's Engineering Department, and we're going to have a quick look at Lab 3, Part 1 today. And what we're looking at here currently is an encoder circuit. Now, this encoder circuit is based on four input switches, and the product is going to be a 3-bit output from this encoder. Now, the encoder operation depends on the literals given in the lab. So there's not a real instinctive way of looking at this. So what we're going to do is just follow the truth table here a little bit to ensure that the encoder is indeed actually working as far as the parameters given by the lab in part 1. And again, this is part 1, which is going to be appended to a previous video for lab 3. So what we're looking at here is 1, 1, 1, 1, with the switches in the 4 switches in the 1 position. And according to the truth table, the middle bit is the one that is the only bit that should be on, the middle bit. So what we're going to do now is apply 0 bits to the encoder, and we should get no lights, no LEDs on whatsoever with 0 inputs. And there we are, 0 inputs, no LEDs or lighting. Now, depending on which combination of codes you enter, you're going to get a different output based on the logic circuits in the encoder. So let's just try a couple and see what happens. And again, these will follow the truth table. Okay, if you hit 1 bit, the first 2 LEDs will light up. And if we hit the second bit also, you get another combination of LEDs lighting up. So this follows kind of a non-pattern, depending on how you have these switches activated. You'll get an encoded output. Presumably this would be useful in some future circuit. Okay, so depending on there, okay, here we have the 4th switch and the 4th switch on and the 2nd switch on, and that only allows the first LED to come on. So the encoder is operating correctly based on the truth tables and the literals given in the lab. And we'll go back to 0. And that's going to end this very quick demonstration of Lab 3, Part 1 at Colorado State University. And again, this is Chris Lafayette. And we'll do a quick view. Okay. And we are going to be out.